If you hear that someone has ran an ultramarathon or started a big business and the first thing that comes to your mind is, I could never do that, then you have already lost. Because you immediately decided that it's impossible for you to even try. In this video, I'll talk about how you might be talking yourself out of success and how to fix it. Most people think they're being realistic when they say something is too hard or impossible, but here's the truth. They are not being realistic. They're just protecting their ego. And this mechanism is called self-handicapping. It's a cognitive strategy where people create obstacles or excuses for themselves so that if they fail, they can blame the obstacle instead of their own lack of ability. By deciding something is impossible before you even start, you're protecting your self-esteem. So if you want to learn how to become better at anything, stay tuned. I spent many years thinking that successful people are somehow better than me. Like they had some magic skills I could never learn. And it was super easy to be a loser because the only thing I had to do is to say to myself, I cannot do it, it's impossible. And with this mentality, of course I got nowhere in life. Negative self-talk is one thing, but making things impossible before you can even start considering it as an option creates a you versus you situation. Here's what you might be getting wrong. You think your abilities are fixed. And the second you say I'm not good at this or I'm not that guy, you're giving your brain a direct order to stop even trying. If you can't do something, it's not because you lack the brain power, it's because you decided it was impossible. Now, you're using the difficulty as an excuse to stay comfortable. You think it's going to be hard, so it becomes hard. You think it's impossible, it becomes impossible. You're literally front-loading your own failure. So how can you fix this? You have to realize that you can accomplish anything if you put your full focus and effort into it. Instead of saying, I can't, you must start saying, I'm really good at this, or this is easy for me. I mean, this sounds stupid simple, but if you can convince yourself that something is impossible before you even try, you can also convince yourself that it's easy. Now, take a marathon for example. Someone with zero condition looks at it and the first thing they think is, no, that's impossible. Well, of course it's fucking impossible if you say so immediately. But if you would say, okay, it's just 4 hours of moving forward, you've immediately made it possible. So stop talking yourself out of greatness. By changing how you talk to yourself, you can make anything possible. Having the right mindset is only one part of the picture. If you're still not taking action, you need to watch this video here, where I'll show you how making just one move might change everything for you.